say humans existed, lived in these spots 10, 13,000 years ago. So a lot of human history for you. Now, a little bit about the land history. That's the area you're looking at. View of the bay, the little shores. This is what we call the south shore. On this side. This is what we call the north shore. All along here. Now, I would like you to tell me, by just taking a glass of both sides, which one do you think is the healthier shore? Which one do you think contains 80% of wildlife in the area? Is it the north shore or is it the south shore here? So when I count to 3, I want you to point to your favorite shore. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm going to try and count how many people are pointing. So there's one to the north shore. I'm going to count that one first. To the north shore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to the north shore. Anyone to the south shore? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 people to the south shore. You ready for the right answer? It's the north shore. That's the healthiest shore. So what is that in the south shore? That's totally okay. It's normal to think so. And it looks so green, so lucky, and so very beautiful. You'd be correct. It is so green, so beautiful, but it's actually very unhealthy. Because only one kind of tree grows the entire area on the south shore here. One kind. It's a monoculture. That's what we call it. So that kind of tree, the one kind of tree that grows all along here, is called God's full pine. Actually, Alberta's covered for also. Squeeze and then pull it. Do you want me to do it for you? So squeeze and then pull it. I can try and get it for you. No, you don't have to. Okay, that works. Thank you. Alright, so you really realize monoculture, that's what this side is. That one kind of tree, a British provincial tree, the large full pine, that grows all along the south shore here. On this side, the healthier shore, the one where you'll see 80% of the wildlife in the area, the north shore here. If you take a look, it's diversity. You see lots of different types of trees going on this side of the way. So lots of different kinds of vegetation, including famous bumbleberries. Now you're probably wondering, who eats bumbleberries? Why are you talking about them? A lot of the bears in the area that live, very soft bears, and grizzly bears, they like bumbleberries. That grows all along our shores here. So if you're hiking in the area, which is allowed, all along this side of the shore, the north shore, about 31 kilometers, you have to, there's actually a seasonal restriction because of these guys. Because of the bumbleberries that grow in the area. You have to be in a group of 4 in order to do the hike. You have to have bear spray with you. You can't have a dog, you can't have a bike with you. In order to do it, it's a seasonal restriction. Starting middle, so now, right now, June, July, all the way till the end of September. How cold is it? It's about 2 degrees Celsius year-round. Somewhere between 2 Celsius. Here it might get to 4 degrees Celsius, but not anymore by the 4 degrees. Even in the winter time,